In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Betterment versus Wealthfront and help you decide which service might be better suited for your needs. Let's dive in and explore these two popular robo-advisors, looking at what each has to offer so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with Betterment. Betterment is a fantastic choice if you're just beginning your investment journey. And here's why. The platform is designed with the beginner in mind, offering automated investing with no account minimum required. This means you can start investing without needing a hefty amount of money to get started. Betterment focuses heavily on goal-based planning, which can make it much easier for you to set and achieve specific financial milestones. The platform offers easy portfolio management and personalized advice tailored to your individual needs and risk tolerance. One of the standout features is that, under their premium plans, Betterment also provides access to human financial advisors. This is particularly beneficial if you want hands-on guidance from time to time, coupled with the simplicity of an automated service. It's an excellent blend of digital ease and human touch, making it a great fit for newcomers to investing or anyone looking for expert guidance along the way. Now, on to Wealthfront. This platform caters to more experienced or tech-savvy investors, offering a more sophisticated set of tools. With Wealthfront, there is a $500 minimum investment, which is something to keep in mind if you're starting with a smaller budget. However, once you meet that threshold, you gain access to powerful automation features, such as tax loss harvesting, which helps optimize your investment performance by reducing your tax liabilities. The platform also provides extensive portfolio customization options, allowing you more control over where and how your money is invested. Wealthfront's approach is more self-directed, enabling you to take advantage of its robust financial planning tools and cash management features. These options give you a high level of sophistication and flexibility, ideal if you enjoy having more control over your investments and want to leverage advanced financial technology to do so. In conclusion, if you're new to investing or you appreciate having professional guidance at your fingertips, Betterment is likely the better choice for you. Its user-friendly design and the option to consult with human advisors make it compelling for those who prioritize simplicity and tailored advice. Conversely, if you prefer having more control over your investments and enjoy using advanced tools and automation features, then Wealthfront might be the platform that best meets your needs. It's really about what fits your personal investment style and financial goals. Whichever you choose, both platforms are leading robo-advisors that offer unique advantages in the world of automated investing.